Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to move your chats between projects in Claude AI. So it's really quick and really easy. All you really have to do is move over to your chats tab, and you can find that here at the top left hand side of your screen. And this gives you an entire complete list of all your chats with Claude. So as you can see, I already have a few chats here that are in specific projects.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
If there's a chat you'd like to move to a specific project, all you have to do is mouse over it and you should see this menu show up. Go ahead and click on that and then click on Add to Project. So here you'll be able to select which project it goes into, and you can even start a new project if you'd like from this menu. You can also do that with chats that are already in a certain project. So let's say with YouTube production, I want to move it. You can see that it says change project here, and you can move the chat there. There's also an option for removing it from the project if you'd like to just have it as a general chat, or you're just trying to organize and get rid of some of the clutter in your project chat history. That's how you do it. It's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.